What's up everybody, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to show you guys how to use Webflow with the cloud. So first you have to establish a connection between those applications. So go to the connectors, go to add connectors and then browse connector option. A new menu will pop up where you have a list of tools and native connectors that are available for different platforms. We are here working on Webflow. Just go ahead and search it up. Over here you will see a connect option, but first you need to see what it can actually perform and pull up the tasks. Like Ask Webflow AI, Asset Tools, Data Agent Instructions, Tell the Webflow Guide tool. So its categories are both for development tools and productivity. You can either develop it, and also you guys can ask for the generic information. So you have the MCP Webflow over here. MCP is kind of a routing which integrate the other platform with the AI tools like the one that we are using, which is Claude. So all you have to do is to click on connect option. It will take you to a new page. So once you are on the new page, you just have to give access to it. I recognize this, continue, and thus it will be able to connect a connection between the Webflow and the Claude. I hope you find this video helpful. See you in the next one. Take care. Bye bye.